But if you're going to ask me about the TRO, there was no extension of the TRO. What we are now resolving is the preliminary injunction. Tingnan natin kung enjoin sila perpetually or while the main petition is still pending.
Yun ang bagong petition nila.
Ang petition nila is definitely declare the memorandum circular as unconstitutional. Ibig sabihin, pawalang visa, and then, pansamantala, wag muna, sa preliminary injunction, pansamantala, wag na munang ipatupad. So, kung igagrant ng korte yung preliminary injunction, ang mangyayari is hindi mo na ipapatupad hanggat walang desisyon ang korte tungkol sa constitutionality or unconstitutionality nung memorandum circular.
Sa mga kailan judge yun?
Actually, nakaset tayo for hearing may isa pang hearing on the main petition. Pero yung preliminary injunction, the court has to decide on or before May 31. Kasi ang effectivity daw niya is June 1.
Okay.
So dapat before that, the court should already be issuing the order. After that, kunyari lang, i-assume natin na may injunction. So, status quo tayo, di ba? Assuming din na sabihin ng korte, wala naman, there's no reason para i-enjoin. So, pwede nilang ituloy, pero it doesn't necessarily follow na talo na yung petitioner. Kung hindi, titignan pa rin natin if it is unconstitutional or constitutional. See? So, that would be depending.
So, magkakaroon pa kung sakali?
Meron pa. Meron pa. Kasi I understand from them, ang petitioner will not be presenting evidence anymore on the main petition. Ang magpa-file na lang ang magpipresenta na lang is the respondent, LTFRB. Meron pa daw silang 2 testigo.